Hello, my beautiful people. How na day? It is quite sunny for this side of the world. Yes, so my people, na Omotola Jalade na in come aside where he come dey talk about the affair wey in get with Adams Oshiomhole. Yes, so now one gbege wey happen wey one popular blogger wey dem dey call Gistlover na him carry Omotola Jalade come aside say him dey go out with Oshiomhole. As we know now, Adams Oshiomhole na the former national chairman of All Progressive Congress Party, na the party wey put Buhari for inside power be that. Yes, so as the blogger post, e don tey wey don dey carry this matter dey come, we dey follow am and wan see wetin Omotola go talk before we put our own mouth for the matter. As e be say the blogger promise us say e go show us some proof, so as we dey wait say make we see proof, na im Omotola Jalade come aside come dey answer the matter wey dey for ground. Omotola Jalade come aside, he say how somebody go come aside come dey yarn this kind of kpata say him wey e don complete 42-year-old and him go come dey go do that kind yama thing. He say this blogger say him go show am pepper or say he never start. He come aside as he dey cry, so now he come dey tell him fans say he go tell them 3 things wey dem go do. He say 1, make dem report the blogger. He did 2. Number 2, he say make dem report the blogger. Number 3, he still repeat again, say make dem report the blogger. My people, wetin the blogger do? The blogger say Omotola Jalade e dey go out with Oshiomhole. E no go be like say na today na the thing just happen like yesterday, na something wey don happen long time ago, but yet Omotola Jalade know say na true. E just come aside say somebody just come aside wan come dey do yama with him name, say he no like am, say na which kind play be that, say make dem stop am. E come dey hala, as e dey hala dey so, na so some people sef dey reply. As e be say tell dem say make dem report the page, some people come outside say lie why dem go report the page, wetin the page do? Say dem no fit report the page o. And even the person wey get the page, Gistlover, e don dey talk say make people dey follow him backup page o, say because of say e don dey receive notification and anything fit happen. Shey una go remember say in main page we get hundreds of thousands of followers. They don bring that one down before. This one na backup page o, e still get another backup page, and this matter wey dey for ground. So wetin even trigger this story of Omotola dey go out with Adams Oshiomhole na Eyi story with Oluomo. When he come outside dey talk about Eyi, say Eyi dey friend MC Oluomo, na in the matter he come chip in say abi una no know say all these people na so dem dey do. Na he come mention Omotola Jalade. He come say he go give us the full gist, as e be say everybody dey look for the full gist because they wan know this lady wey dem dey call Omo Sexy, this Omotola, this baby wey be say e go dey talk like this, people go dey listen. Say because Gistlover come outside say all this thing wey dem dey do, they just dey do am for na wetin dem dey call am sef eye service. Say wetin dem dey do for backyard e pass wetin dey happen. E even talk even reach im husband side. He say Omotola Jelade husband we all know say na pilot. He say the man no dey sit down for one side. Say na one if he carry this woman today, carry that woman. He say why the man no go do like that when the wife sef no dey sit down one place? And if una remember or if una no know, Omotola don born 4 children for him husband house, and the people see dey surprise say this woman wey fine like this woman wey dey popular like this, he still sit down for one man house. And this DNA of a problem of a thing now. People dey say paternity test. I know say before you know now, somebody go say make Omotola go do test. Yes, myself go agree for that kind thing, make you go do test. I be what you think, because me I be the thinker like say wetin go make a man wey married to a woman wey fine like this go come still dey go out with who? With another woman wey fine pass this one? I be the one wey no reach this one? Wetin fit cause am? If no be say maybe e get one family issue, maybe e dey relate to na my pikin no be my pikin. E fit be wey dem no wan gree boss come outside, because if something like that boss come outside, e go really affect am pass this kind news wey dem dey try report o. So for me, I for say like yes, if e be say something like that dey, and if e be say that thing no dey, just dey the man. Some women like that wey dem see say man dey very okay with him wife, and so dem go dey shook eye, and this man sef get money, him wife sef get money. So if e be say na that one na im happen, and if e be say na the first one when I talk na im dey happen, nobody know that one. But the gbege wey dey on ground now be say Omotola Jelade don say im go do something to Gistlover, and he don ask people say make dem help her come outside o, make dem come help her report Gistlover so that something go happen to Gistlover. He tell people say make dem no dey lis ten to people like this wey dey talk this kind story, say make people dey demand for proof of the story. Yes, so Gistlover, we dey wait for the proof, because we go like see proof wey back this your tori wey you say Omotola dey go out with Adams Oshiomhole, and no be say dem dey go out like that o. That kind go out now, dem dey go out and dey go in together, na that one. If you no understand, na you sabi. So Gistlover, we dey wait for the proof, because we know say as the matter still fresh like this and as e dey hot, na so things go dey come outside. And the earlier you bring the proof before dem bring down your page, the more people go fit follow that backup page. So we dey wait make we see more tori, whether we hear more tori from Omotola Jelade or we hear more tori from Gistlover. My people, make una stay tuned. If this na your first time, abeg no forget to hit that red subscribe button, and also leave your own comment for the comment section. Bye.
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel.